In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to advertise on Facebook with Meta Business. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach the right place inside Meta's tools and start a new ad the right way. First, open Meta Business Suite. The easiest path is on a desktop browser signed into the Facebook account that manages your business assets. When Business Suite loads, make sure you're looking at the correct business and page. If you manage more than one, use the account switcher to select the brand you want to advertise for. You'll land on a home dashboard with a sidebar on the left and cards that summarize recent activity. This is your central hub for pages, Instagram accounts, messages, and ads. So it's normal to see a lot of options here. If something looks off, confirm you have the right access level in the business. Advertiser or admin permissions are typically required to run ads. Next, click on Ads in the left-hand menu. This takes you to your ads area, often called Ads Summary or Ads Center, where you can see an overview of any campaigns that already exist. If your account is new, this page may be empty. That's fine. If you do see data, take a moment to notice the date range selector and basic performance columns. They're helpful for understanding what's been running and what results have come in. This view is also where you can quickly revisit past ads later for reference or reuse. Even if you're just starting out, it's useful to recognize that this is your central place to review performance without digging into more advanced tools. Now, click on Create Ad. This button typically appears at the top right or near the center of the ads page. Clicking it launches Meta's guided setup, which will walk you through the rest in a structured flow. From here, the interface will prompt you to clarify your goal, add your visuals and text, define who should see your ad, and set a budget and schedule. Before you proceed too far, it helps to have a clear objective in mind, your best image or video ready in the recommended sizes, and a concise message with one strong call to action. Keep your brand voice consistent, make your headline easy to scan, and ensure your destination page matches the promise of your ad for a smooth user experience. If you rely on measurement, confirm your tracking and preferences are already configured in your business settings, so reporting is accurate once your ad starts delivering. That's all there is to it. Open Meta Business Suite, go to Ads, and hit Create Ad. From that point on, the on-screen prompts guide you step by step so you can launch with confidence.